Hey everyone. So you want to know about hiring freelance software engineers from Brazil, and that's what I'm here to tell you. My name is Michael. I'm the founder of SlashDev.io. We're a software development company that recruits engineers from around the world. So I've done hundreds of recruitments with engineers from Brazil, and today I'm going to give you 7 things to consider when you're looking at hiring a freelance engineer from Brazil. So first and foremost is cost is super important when we're looking at hiring a freelance engineer from Brazil. Often that's one of the main reasons why you're considering working with a remote developer from another country. So it's important when you look at these rates to look at what the actual salaries are in the country. There can be freelancers across the board that charge different rates, but in general, $10 to $15 from a mid-level engineer in Brazil, $15 to $20 per hour for a senior engineer in Brazil will put you on par with their salary. So at or slightly above that, and you can usually get some great people, which is an incredible value. Second, we want to look at English proficiency. So this is the number one challenge when working with engineers from Brazil. You really will find that there's not as many that speak good English. It's kind of either they do or they don't speak very good English and it's very choppy. So that's something you really need to be aware of and make sure that you find someone who can communicate well depending on your needs. Like if they're going to be meeting with a client, then it could be extra important. If they're just going to be working on code, then you can usually get by a little bit easier with not as good of English. So Brazil has over 500,000 software engineers as of recent reports. So it's a huge market for software engineers. This is one of the reasons I love hiring engineers from Brazil is the amount of engineers and also the quality. So Brazil is known for being a very high quality country for hiring skilled engineers. And I can speak to this from experience. Some of the absolute best engineers we find at SlashDev are from Brazil. So we also have big companies hiring there, which is always a good sign. Google, IBM, Microsoft, and Uber all have a significant presence in Brazil. From our experience at SlashDev, Brazilian engineers are very trustworthy and known for their professionalism and hitting timelines. You'll notice other countries around the world do not share the same culture as Western countries. And so Brazil, you really find quite a smooth overlap with understanding the working culture, hitting deadlines, letting you know if they don't know how to do something so you can plan properly. And the time zone is really great with Brazil, whether you're in the US or in the UK, in Europe. So it's really a dynamic place that can work with a lot of time zones. So overall, I would highly recommend working with engineers from Brazil. I would consider them Brazil one of the absolute best countries in the world to source freelance engineers. So hopefully you can give it a shot and check it out. Thanks for your time.